Here we are in Concord, California, where we can actually see two different fireworks. One from Pleasant Hill, and then we also have some freelancers around the corner in that direction. The Pleasant Hill ones are just finishing up off there in the distance, and here are the Concord ones at the Concord High School. This is July 4th, 2022. Seems like a quieter night. Maybe a lot of people are still pandemifying. There's the moon. And Pleasant Hill. There's Pleasant Hill. Way out in the distance you can see the fireworks there. Let's see if we can blow it up a little bit. There you go. That's Pleasant Hill. This is Concord. Freelancers. Pleasant Hill. Concord. Happy 4th, everybody. The day started off at 10:30 in Pleasant Hill with Americana music from Jinx Jones. Went to more music in Moraga, and we're finishing up here in Concord. There's Pleasant Hill way out there. And the freelancers.